A song written for Kapeka, woman in waiting for our queen, Lili'uokalani. As the queen presided over the palace, what an awesome woman she was. Out of all the monarchs, she's my punahele, my favorite. Something about her, I just really wish I could have been with her and played for her and sang for her and just honored her for what she's done for our culture. She wrote this song for her woman in waiting, Kapeka, as she followed her around during her daily duties, chores. She'd be with the queen. In the evenings, she would tuck the queen in, then she would retire to her chamber, which was adjacent to the queen's. So she'd close the door behind her and sit there on the bed. And as it got darker and darker, and she heard the queen snoring, she would then quietly go over to the window, unlock it, and let in a young Hawaiian boy, yeah? Okay, so they came in and they talked, played chess and checkers and talked politics. And after they were done enjoying each other's company immensely, he would slip out into the darkness as quickly as he got into this place. Well, the queen, being the queen, was no slouch when it came on things going bump in the night. So she heard what was going on in the room next door. And instead of reprimanding them, which she could have done, she wrote this song for them. And in the song she mentions Elizabeth, which is Kapeka, which is Hawaiianized Elizabeth. She never met the man formally. He was never invited, yeah? So she gave him a more interesting name, that being Sanoe. Sanoe is that mist. Like this morning, we're driving out here and get up, and I thought it was fog, but it's not fog, it's smog, I think. That's what, yeah, Patrick was saying. But it's like that, but it's a mist that gathers in Hawaii as you're driving down Lili'uokalani Highway or anywhere in the Pali. You look up and you see this mist that is gathering in late afternoons, and what it's doing is it's going to bring us rain. Yeah, we all know that. We see it, and we know it's inevitable. It's going to happen, and we can't stop it. It's going to happen no matter what. Just like this love that was budding in this room next to the queen's. Love should never be halted. It should never stop. So she was actually commending them in their own little escapade that was happening in the room. So she named that boy Sanoe because he was like that mist, that mystery mist that would show up just at the right time to kind of get into every nook and cranny and, kind of have a great time, and then he would disappear. So, ladies and gentlemen, I do this song for each and every one of you with reverence and with respect, and it is because of this song. I have two little girls, cutest things you ever seen, yeah? 8 and 10. Beautiful, you guys gotta see them. It is because of this song I've barred the windows in the house. I've triple locked the front door. We have, yeah? We did. Ain't no Sanoe coming over our house. No way. So I do this song in closing. Thank you so very much. God blessings to each and every one of you. Thank you for making me feel so welcome and for being so nice to me and my wife, Pua. And until we see you again, never goodbye. Ahui ho. I will come back again, and I will be with you, and I will hug you, and I will thank you once again. The love song, Sanoe. Thank you very much, everyone.
Mr. Bobby Moderow.